Hey guys, in this video we are going to see about krukals algorithm overview. So how does the krukal algorithm works? So here it used to find the minimum spanning tree of a graph. For example, here is this. The minimum spanning tree is a subset of the edges as we know that connects all the vertices together without forming any circles. With the help of the minimum possible total weight you are going to find. So first of all, there are three basic steps in Krukals algorithm. After seeing that, I will be just going for this code here. So first one is that sort all the edges in non-descending order of their weight. So first one, what is that? Sort the edges in non-descending order of their weight. And the second step is add the smallest edge to the tree if it does not form a cycle. If it does not form a cycle, you have to add a smallest edge here. Then you have to repeat until the edges in the minimum spanning tree is n minus 1, where n will be the number of vertices. So now we'll be just seeing about the code here. As we know, this is the normal library which we'll be using in the C program. So the same thing we'll be doing it out here also. And here first int I, j, k, a, b, u. What are these means? I and j are the loops here. So for example, here you are going to use the loops, right? So for that only we are initializing the I, j here. Clear? And a, b is for the variables to store the vertices that form the edge with a minimum weight. U and v represents the end point, where n represents the number of edges in the graph, where n is the keeps the number of edges including in the minimum spanning tree is equal to 1. It starts from the 1 here. Clear? So here in this minimum, what happens here, it stores the minimum weight of the graph, and min cost it used to track the total of the cost. Will initialize that is equal to 0 here. Clear? Cost of 9 into, that is in the 2D matrix representing the adjacency matrix of the graph. Here it stores the weight of the edges between vertices. And parent array used to find the union find operations to check whether the adding. Okay, these are the explained. So int, have you ever come across the find and uni? Find means it's the function that used to find the root of the vertex I, and union is the find the union. It performs the union operation. As we heard about sets, in that also union operation has been performed here. So we'll go for the program here. Void main print implementation of krukals. This is the normal print statement here. Coming to the loop here is that for I is equal to 1, j I less than equal to n, I plus plus. So here is that for I is equal to 1, I greater than equal to n, I plus plus, and for j is equal to 1, j greater than n, j plus plus. We have this loops here. Here it is, as we know, for traversing and for the iteration, this two loops has been used here. Here in the space scanf percentage d, I mean like formal specifier, I mean like cost of I and j. What this line tells about the cost, it stores the matrix cost at the position of I and j. The input represents the cost of the weight here. And the next one, they are going to check about the condition by using if cost it that is equal to 0, what happens here? It will go with the if no edge mark it as infinity. 99, as we know, will representing it as infinity over here. This is what will be representing it out. That 999 will be representing it like a infinity stage in the program here. So yeah. And also